Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove your existing Windows will expire soon. This kind of message will occur on your Windows 10 or Windows 8, whatever Windows you are using. So to remove that error, to bypass that thing, there are so many articles on the internet, but none of them working. But I found a way to how you can fix this very easily. So let's jump right into it. So first you have to do is go to the Google Chrome, type bit.ly slash windows txt. Just go to this URL and you will find out that this text. So copy all of the text and save it on your computer as a new document, text document in my case. So and save as activator.cmd. You need to save it in .cmd format and press enter. Now you can see that this file has been saved as an activator. Now what you do, you have to run it as an administrator, and you can see that every Windows 8, 8.1 and 10, all of the versions of showing here, and here it is looking Windows. You activating your Windows. Mine in already activated, so it worked for me. If you are using any kind of Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, it will fix. If it doesn't work in the first time, do it again 2 or 3 times. It will definitely work. Hope thanks for watching, and please like if this works for you. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye. Peace.